Hi fam, or welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Gloria Mngomezulu-Marlow, aka Mrs. Unapologetically Becoming, and I am back with yet another video. To my returning subscribers, thank you very much family, you guys are truly appreciated. If you're new here though and you're thinking of joining the family, please do not hesitate to hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so that you can get notifications every time I drop a new video. As you can tell by the title of the video, this is a vlog of my birthday weekend getaway at River Rock Lodge in Parys. So without further ado, you guys are back and we'll get into it. Let's go!
Stop running now. With you I found my peace somehow. Let go of every thought that was holding me back. Yeah, I'm in love with you in every way. That joy you give me every day makes me forget that I was troubled before. Don't know if I'm dreaming, I'm slipping see your face. I never knew you could love someone like me. You climbed my tower and you set me free. I never know felt like this before. I never know felt the love like this. I never know felt like this before. I never know felt the love like this. I know I can be safe with you. You want me now, I know you do. I know you're being patient and I love you for that. You show me how to dare to love. So tell me what you're thinking of. Cause I won't be afraid, not holding anything back. Don't know if I'm dreaming, I'm slipping away. I hear your sweet voice, then I see your face. I never knew you could love someone like me. You climbed my tower and you set me free. I never know felt like this before. I never
I do. Hi.
Left onto R59.
Hi, girl. Wear your shades. Wear your shades, my baby. Ooh. I. Hi, fam. It is Sunday, the 25th of August. We are on our way to Fort Dome. We're gonna go see if we can hike there. Yeah, come with us. It has been my first night. It doesn't matter where I sleep. It's a bit, yeah, it's not nice. Yeah, I woke up quite a few times, but yeah, it's like that everywhere I go, so I'm not surprised. But anyway, come along with us. Let's go.
felt the love like this. I never felt like this before. Felt like this before. Felt the love like this. Never this before. Like this before. Yeah.
We're calling now. Apparently, it says entry by appointments only, so we're calling to find out if we can hike here. So yeah, let's see.
Hello, it's Karen. Can I help? Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
So it's opening. Okay. All right. Okay, bye.
Thank you. Bye.
I trust guys to want to do it herself. I think we should go one on this thing. Hi, family.
Up. Up here in the wilds, man. We're in the wilds. Guys, say we're in the wild. In the wild. La rosa bikiwer. This is nice. What like you do, mama?
Have a look.
Short. How are we following? What trail are we following?
Is that a photo?
Moss.
Welcome, Didi.
Bravo. We zijn er bij die volks. We moeten wel samen gaan. Put your head.
Hi. Oh, that's you making the sounds. I was like, whoa, what's that now? Oh, guys, we're in nature. But very, very, very tasty. Very, very, very.
I didn't want to even hold you. I love it away.
1, 2, 3. Yay! Oh, Sana, it's hot in Paris, so it's just hot in general because, yeah. Anyway, it's the 26th of August. It's my birthday. I am 26 on the 26th, honey. Boo, 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 boo. We just checked out. We're leaving and we're going back home. It was a pleasant stay. Like, I enjoyed it. It was amazing. It was exactly what I had imagined in mind. So yeah, I had an amazing time. And yeah, I'm off work today. Yes, girl. But anyway, I'll tell you more about the place when I get home. It's actually a really nice place. It's near town. Like, there's a lot of shops near it. There's like a shopping complex that is like less than, I think, a kilometer away, if not 500 meters, ne? Yeah, away. And it has a Checkers, it has Jet Home, it has Mr. Price Home, and then it has a pharmacy, which for me is actually very important. So yeah, and there's KFC and a garage just there. So yeah, the place is actually very, very nice. I would give it a 9 out of 10. But anyway, check you guys later. I just want to do my makeup, then I'll do my intro, because I haven't even done my intro. Then I'll do my intro, and I still need to shoot one more video for my birthday reel. But anyway, have a lovely day. Hi fam, it's me again. Unfortunately, I couldn't record the video where I was going to tell you more about the place. So I'm gonna do it here. Overall, like I said before, I give a place a 9 out of 10. It is very clean, very peaceful. I had an incredible time with my family, so I would definitely recommend it. It is near stores, so you can always just drive if you need anything, or you can take a 60/60 if you don't want to leave the premises. So yeah, man, that is all I have to say. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time, stay blessed. Ciao.